Okay, so as you are doing the mail merge on the PC, so this is not for the Mac, this is for other desktop and laptop computers. So this directions for this are fairly simple. This makes it look a lot more complex than what it is. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that you have your RI template pulled up, the Word document one. Okay, so in this sheet, step one is going to be to change the grade on all four of these to match what you're working with. So if you're working with third grade, you're going to just want to put a 3 on all four of them. Changing one does not change all four. The next thing you'll want to do is check the year. So I have this one ready for the 2018-19 school year, but you will want to make sure that these dates match what you're working with. Okay, so another thing that's very important are the categories up here. So you see last name, first name, and then HR, teacher, homeroom teacher. That could just be if yours doesn't work by homerooms, it's just the class they're in, the teacher they're in. You may also want to do this by ELA teacher, but do not change this setting. So what you're going to do is look here. This will be your data. This is my practice data sheet for you to work with. So this is the one I'm going to do today. Again, you'll notice my categories here are the same that you see here. If this is different, it will not work. All right, so moving into the mail merge process, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the mailings tab up here and go to start mail merge. I prefer to do the step-by-step mail merge wizard because it just walks you through every step, literally. Okay, so starting over here, do the letter one. I know this is kind of a label, but I feel like the letters, it's a smooth process with doing it that way. So next, starting document. So you are going to use the current document. It's already ready to go. Select recipients. So at this process, you are going to choose to use an existing list. So you're going to browse. If you're doing your practice run, you will choose the practice RI data sheet. Otherwise, you will choose your document that you have ready. I'm going to go with sheet 1, which is just the one I showed you a minute ago. Click OK. So this means that I want every student to have one. So I'm going to see that everybody is checked off, which they are, and I'm going to select OK. From here, I'm going to write my letter. Again, this is already ready to go, so that's not any extra work for you. So just move on to preview your letters. So here you're going to see student A, B, C, and D. This step will only show you the first 4, but it just makes sure that it did work. This is where you will know, okay, this process is working. So what I like to do is when I complete the merge, I like to click on the edit individual letters. This way I can see all of the ones I did to make sure everything is there. So you will see that this will scroll all the way down to my student Z. If at any point you are struggling with this and you are not sure what to do, please feel free to email me. I am completely here to help you with this. I understand that it can be stressful if it's your first time doing it or if you are not sure of what to do. I feel like the directions are fairly simple, but that does not mean you won't have moments of, oh my goodness, what am I doing? I totally get it. From here, what I would do is I would do save as, just so you have it saved with each of their names in it. Other than that, you are good to go. So let me know if you have questions and have fun.